Here we have a HP, and it's making that sound, 3 long, 2 short. We'll see if we can quickly diagnose it. Power on, power button. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Let's try a different RAM, see what happens. It is a DDR4. Reseated. Okay. Now we've got white light, waiting for the screen. Still nothing. I'll try another output to display. Yeah, display port, and what do we got? Nothing. Power off, and then power back on. This computer has its own health issues. That's definitely in. Let's see if the keyboard has numlock, caps lock light blinking. Then our mission is fixed. We just have to resolve the GPU. Nothing, no reaction. Let's reset the CMOS. So just take the battery out from the motherboard. CMOS battery taken out. Power button 2 times. Okay, power in. Power button. Otherwise I'll get another RAM. I'll just try another RAM quickly. Try in another slot. And no output yet. Keyboard. No caps lock. Oh, here we go. 1 beep. Oh, there we go. Okay, done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.